Hello, good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how you can set up fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, scroll down, then go to security and privacy. From here, click on lock screen and here you will see fingerprints. Tap on it, click on continue. Now tap on register. Now hold your mobile and press your finger. Now move it little up, little down like that I'm doing and it will register. This menu will appear. Tap on done and test. As you can see, it is working absolutely fine. Now turn off the mobile and check it is working or not. So let me check. So as you can see, the fingerprint is working absolutely fine. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like. Do consider subscribing and I will see you in next video.